I'm going to have to thank my friends at Aerial Precision for sending me this Epsilon 556 VG6 brake. This is going to be my first time using the Epsilon. Generally I use the Gammas on my rifles. This right here incorporates the muzzle brake and a flash suppressor with it. One thing we will do before the competition here, I will take this outside and we'll actually do a comparison between the regular Gamma and the Epsilon as well, just see how much the flash hider really helps. With this, it actually has a pre-drilled pin, so we'll be able to pin and weld the brake on the barrel, making it a legal length of over 16 inches. Alright, so what we've done here is I went ahead and got the muzzle brake on the barrel. It's already level. I did that on the receiver, and then I took the barrel off the receiver, put it in the mill, and the best way I can get this thing to be zero is, since I have a flat surface here and I'm going to have to assume that they did a good job machining, I have a precision stirrup level that I'm going across here, and I have got this piece level as I can get it. So this is about as good as it's going to be. If anybody's got any other ways to do it, please let me know, because this was a little tedious to get all this done. Then what I'm going to do is use my live center right here. What that's going to do is help me find the center of that drill hole. I'm going to zero my mill on this, and then be able to drill my hole so far down into the barrel to where I can pin it and weld it. Alright, so what I'm doing right here is I've got my edge finder or center finder on the part. I'm going to go down to where I'm actually touching the part just barely. I can see my edges off. Again, this is all just kind of tedious and by feel work. What I want to do is not have my thumbnail catch. Feels pretty good there. When I think I like it, I'm going to bring it up again, check it one more time. That's not too bad. So I'm going to come up here. I can zoom out a little bit. Zero my digital readout. That way, if I have to do anything, come back to it, I've got that, and I'm going to lock down my table before I move anything else. Okay, I've got my brake set up in the mill. I've already zeroed my Z-axis on my mill to the very bottom of that hole. So if I pan up, look at my little small digital readout on there, I'm at 0, 0. I measured the thickness of my barrel, and it's about 135 thousandths, give or take a couple thou. So I'm going to make this hole about 70 thousandths deep, and we'll see where it is from there. I want to leave as much material as I can, but also make sure that it's going to be staked in there real nice and neat. And hopefully here in the next couple of days I'll be able to put my tack weld on there, and we'll be good to go. We're going to put a little bit of cutting oil in there. Got another 90 thousandths left till I touch the part. 20 thousandths. Should be cutting the part right now. And 20 thousandths deep. 30. 40 thousandths, 50, 60, and right at 70 thousandths. We'll move we'll move the table down here a minute, blow it out, and see how the dowel goes in. Okay, it looks like the pin worked out great. We're just down just about 70 thousandths into the barrel, so halfway through to the rifling, and I'm not going any deeper than that. I'm going to grind this pin down until it's just almost flush with the brake, and then I can weld it later on.